Let's be honest, standard remotes are usually terrible. iPazzPort has sent me a wireless Bluetooth keyboard that works amazingly with the Amazon Fire Stick. In addition to that, they've also included a 10% discount code that'll be included in this video. Two things I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you the device, so we're going to do an unboxing, and we're going to show you how to pair it up to that Amazon Fire Stick you've been using. Before we get started, if you could take a second and just click the subscribe and the bell to be notified whenever one of my newest videos come out. As I said before, this device works amazingly with the Fire Stick, but keep in mind that it is a Bluetooth device, so it will work with virtually any device that has Bluetooth capabilities. Some of the other great features of this keyboard is that it has a rechargeable battery and it's backlit, so you'll be able to see in the dark. So let's get to the unboxing. Right here you have the standard retail box. The retail packaging gives you a little bit of information on the back, both sides. Alright, so let's see what's inside the box. So first up is the company information and the user manual. You have the charging cable, an old school BlackBerry charger for those who remember, charges up your device. Two plastic cases, which is really cool as it works with the old Amazon Fire Stick and the new Amazon Fire Stick remotes. There's two different types. They have two included, which is very cool. Now we're going to look at the actual keyboard. You have a full QWERTY keyboard, very easy, nice buttons. At the top of it, you're going to have the on-off switch, and as you can see, the Amazon Fire TV remote fits in the back. You have the charger, which is for that to charge up the device, and you have the IR port, the Bluetooth port. So before I show you how to sync this to your Amazon Fire Stick, I'll share the discount code with you. There it is right on the screen. So F as in Frank, 37, L as in Larry, Z, Zebra, Zebra, Victory 6. So F37, L, ZZ, V6. And you'll be able to enter that code in and get a 10% discount off your very own Bluetooth keyboard. Using the Fire Stick and starting from the main screen, what you're going to want to do is go to the settings. From settings, you're going to scroll over to controllers and Bluetooth devices. Once in there, you're going to go down to other Bluetooth devices. Once in the other Bluetooth section, you'll have to turn on the device's Bluetooth to pair it or sync it. The two buttons you need to press will be highlighted right on the screen, so essentially you'll need to press the BT and the FN at the same time. I'll do that right now. Once that's done successfully, you're going to see the blue light start to flash. And then the device will go into pairing mode. It should take about a minute, but generally it's something that goes through rather smoothly. You'll get a notification at the bottom of the screen confirming that the device has been paired. And that's it. It's really a simple process, and you're able to enjoy your Bluetooth keyboard. You can go ahead, use the downloader, type up stuff, as I'm going to do right now, and you could be able to get your YouTube app, which is a perfect example. Some people have been having some issues with that. I did a video on that. You might want to add the YouTube. So there you have it. There is the keyboard. Let me take a second and just put the code that will get you a 10% discount off this wonderful device, and you'll be able to use and benefit from all the great stuff that this device offers. The iPazzPort wireless Bluetooth mini keyboard. Check out all my apps, and introducing the newest apps to the MTL Free TV family.